latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The blast that occurred in Beirut on August 4th has now cautioned people and officials across the world. Concerns have now been raised over the amount of ammonium nitrate stored in warehouses across the world. It has now come to light that ammonium nitrate is being imported to India from Russia through Visakhapatnam port. According to reports, every year over 2 lakh tons of ammonium nitrate is being imported to India through Visakhapatnam port. The hazardous chemical which is imported is being stored at a warehouse which is owned by a shipping company. Shockingly, the warehouse where the chemical is stored is surrounded by industries. Concerns have been raised by the industry owners and people residing in the nearby areas. Civil Liberties Committee President T. Sri Rama Murthy is one among them who first flagged off the issue.
If any untoward incident were to happen like the explosion in Lebanon, HPCL will be the first victim. It is a major threat to the city. The collector should immediately review the safety measures being undertaken in the storage of ammonium nitrate.
In the meantime, former Union Energy Secretary and activist EAS Sarma demanded that the government should stop the import of the chemical.
I have written a letter to the Union Home Secretary A.K. Bhalla to immediately take steps and tighten the rules and procedures relating to the import, storage and transport of ammonium nitrate. Major imports of the substance happen through the Visakhapatnam port.
People are requesting officials to review the amount of ammonium nitrate stored in the warehouse. People are also pressurizing the government to take all precautionary measures while importing and storing the chemical. Now, a 3-member committee constituted by District Collector V. Vinay Chand inspected the warehouse in Mindy area in Visakhapatnam. After the inspection, the panel has now said that there isn't any kind of threat from the chemical compound which is stored in the warehouse. The deputy chairman of Visakhapatnam port also said that they aren't storing ammonium nitrate in the warehouse.
The port does not store ammonium nitrate and it clears the freight from the port premises soon after it is unloaded. The freight is sent to the warehouse often owned or leased by the importer.
Needless to say, the Beirut incident has sounded alarm bells across the world over the storage of ammonium nitrate.